video just we covered very clearly about, okay, how, what is the life cycle of the file in the git, and what is the git architecture like. Sir, now let me start the practicals. Before that, sir, how to install, okay, how to install git on windows. Okay, sir, it's a very easy, because git can provide support for multiple platforms. Okay, like next, how you can install git on our ubuntu. Next, how you can install git on cloud platforms. Okay, cloud like gcp, google cloud platform, aws. Okay, like I will discuss, don't worry at all, sir. Okay, but anyway, just as of now, just let me talk about how to install git on windows. It's a very easy, sir. Nothing will be there. Okay, what I will do is, here, just let me open the google. Okay, just git download. Okay, git download for windows. Okay, just you can type git download for windows, like you have to type this one, sir. That's all. Now, have you observed, this is the official website what we are going to get. Okay, git download page. Okay, like we are going to get. Let me go for this one. if you observe if you observe that, okay, here just it is, sir, https git hyphen scm. Sir, git hyphen scm. What is the meaning of scm? Please confirm, what is the meaning of scm? Have you remembered, right? We covered already software configuration management. Have you observed software configuration management, which is also known as version control? Version control, sir, git scm download windows based. Okay, like sir, now here what I want to take, 32-bit or 64-bit, like you can take, sir, portable means on any platform it's going to work, no problem. Let me take a 64-bit, because my system is the 64-bit. Okay, you have to just download, sir. You require to just download. Okay, like you have, sir, you are downloading latest version, like click here to download manually also. Okay, like now let me download this one. Okay, it was released 24 days ago on, okay, like this is the latest version. Okay, now can you please download, like, yes friends, are you in the position to follow, right? Respond. Okay, well, sir, now here just it is an exe file. Let me copy this one. Okay, just this is the exe file what I have. Okay, like sir, this is the exe file, very simple, sir, because already one version is already there with me. Okay, like sir, that's all. Here what you can do, you are not required to do anything, just click next. That's all, beyond that nothing, sir. Okay, click. Okay, run. Okay, like run, like it is going to ask, sir, next, like it is telling that you are ready, sir. This is the public license agreements, like it is telling that, no problem at all, sir. Okay, now see program files git. Okay, well, now already exist, would you like to install in that folder? Yes. Okay, like next, on the desktop, do you require icon or not, additional icons? Yes, on the desktop I require. Next, here just observe that get. Okay, like sir, here use, have you observed, right? Can you please observe that, use a vim editor, vim as a git default editor, like sir, multiple ways are the multiple things are available, sir. Notepad plus plus, visual studio, sublime text editor, atom. Okay, visual studio code, some multiple editors you can use. Let me use a default vim editor only. Okay, like now here, like next, and after that, use a git from git bash only, git from command line, and also from third party software. Use git and optional unix tools from the command prompt, like sir, usually better to select this one. Okay, unix tools from the command prompt. Use git and optional unix tools from the command prompt. Observe very carefully, sir, because I want to use unix commands also, something like. Okay, better to select this, use git, like next. Okay, see here it is asking use open ssh, no problem at all. Yes, like next, you are not required to do anything. Okay, like yes, install, like your Git is going to be installed. Okay, in the Windows it's very easy, nothing will be there, sir. Okay, but anyway, so 1 or 2 days we will work on this. Okay, like next and after that I will shift to our Ubuntu mission. Okay, next and after that even we can go for cloud platform, GCP, AWS, how you can use that part also I will discuss, because for DevOps you have to familiar more with the cloud platforms, not on the local missions. Okay, that's why you people are going to get complete knowledge related to how you can work in the cloud. Okay, how one mission is going to be connected with another mission, like all complete picture you people are going to get. Don't worry, I will discuss in detail. Okay, just it's taking just a few seconds, don't worry. Yeah, I hope everyone in the position to install, nothing will be there. It is very easy thing, sir. Launch git bash or view release notes, nothing, that's all it is stopped, sir. Okay, well, now sir, on the desktop, yeah, I got any icon like a git bash? Can you please observe that? In the desktop, am I got any icon like a git bash? Yes. Okay, like a git bash came. Okay, even in the desktop if it is not there, just in your start menu you have to type git bash. Okay, automatically git command line, git bash, like two apps are going to come, you require to use git bash. Okay, like git bash. Anyway, in the desktop already this one is there. Okay, let me click this one. That's all. Git bash is going to be open, sir. Here all your Linux commands also going to work, sir. Don't worry at all, just you can increase the font. Okay, like that's all, sir. Now where we are, how I can find my current working directory? Can you please confirm how I can find my current working directory? Pwd. Okay, pwd c colon users Lenovo, like I'm there. Okay, now let me move to D drive. Okay, now let me move to D drive, because it is a Windows based machine, right? That's why D drive I can. Now where I am in the D drive. Okay, like now just I'm using, sir, here in the D drive, let me create one folder named with project one. Okay, named with project one, or otherwise let me create one folder, mkdir, mkdir. Okay, git projects, git projects. Okay, one folder for all git projects. I'm creating one main folder, git projects, like. Okay, well, now let me enter into git projects. Okay, like, sir, let me, yes, nothing is there. Okay, like, sir, in these git projects I want to work for first project. That's why in this mkdir project one. Okay, like, let me create, sir, cd project one. Okay, like, sir, just observe our location. Now in the D drive, git projects, like one folder I created. In that one subfolder I created project one. Now this project one will become, now this project one will become my workspace. Any doubt? All the people are in the position to understand what is the meaning of? So I prepared my workspace. Okay, I prepared my workspace. Okay, like, now for this project one, so can you please tell version control is available or not? Please confirm. Can you please tell, is the version control is applicable by default for the project one or not? No, no. Remember very carefully. So no, by default version control not available for your working directory. Ls you can use, nothing is there. ls-a we can use, nothing is there. Nothing is there. Okay, like, sir, here these two I told already in our Linux sessions. Have you remember, right? Every directory by default contain two hidden directories. Okay, one is current working directory, second one is the previous, like these two things we are not required to worry at all, sir. Okay, like, now my question is very important, Sir, Git doesn't aware about our workspace. Remember carefully, sir. Git doesn't aware about our workspace. Okay, like now I have to tell, sir, project one is my workspace. Okay, project one is my workspace. Now I have to tell, hey, Git, I want version control for this project one. I want version control for this project one. Can you please do the required? Can you please initialize repository for me, because I want version control for this project one. Okay, now this is my project one. Okay, as of now it is empty, sir. I have to request Git saying, for this project one I want version control. Means you are asking, can you please provide one repository for me to maintain different versions. Okay, like then immediately what the Git is going to provide is, Git is going to provide an empty repository. Remember this one, sir. What it's going to provide for your folder, for your directory? Empty repository. Empty repository. It's going to provide. So here observe carefully, right? You have to ask Git, can you please provide an empty repository for me, because version control required for this workspace. Okay, like how you can do that is git git init is the command. Remember this one, sir. Git init is the command we require to use. Any doubt about this one, sir? What is the purpose of git init? To create, to provide or create an empty repository, to our workspace, so that okay, sir, version control is available. Version control is available to our working directory, Okay, like, sir, can you please observe? Are you in the position to understand, right? So we have to use git init. That's all. What is the meaning of git init? Now the terminology is the very clear for you people, right? Okay, sir, can we use absolute path with git init? No, just the git init. In which directory you required init, you required repository, in that you have to execute git init. That's all. Here no path, these type of things won't be there, Manish. Okay, like, sir, now here observe that up to this my current working directory looks like this. Okay, empty, sir. Nothing is there, nothing is there, sir. My current working directory is empty, like current working directory is empty. Whenever we are using git init, now version control is applicable for this. Now immediately an empty repository will be provided. Okay, what is the name of this empty repository is this is what a local repository. What is the name is dot get. Remember this one. What is that? Can you please spell out? What is the name? Everyone, can you please spell out, sir? What is the name? Dot git. Sir, if any folder or if any directory or file starts with dot, what is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? It is a hidden directory. It is the hidden directory. Remember carefully, sir, because it is not required for it is not required to see. It is the hidden directory. Internally, this directory is available for version control purpose. Okay, like now let me go to my here. So for this, as of now, version control is not there. Version control is not there, sir. If you want here, let me go to that location. Let me go to that location. D drive, git projects. In that git projects, project one is there. Nothing. It is the empty, sir. Even in the view, I selected hidden items also. Even by default, it is the disabled, right? Even I selected hidden items also. View, select hidden items. Still nothing is there. Even hidden things also not there. Okay, like now observe carefully. I'm using git status. I'm using git status. What is the response from the git? Observe carefully, sir. In this directory, I'm asking about git status. What is the response, sir? So immediately, git is going to give left and right. Array, is the version control available for this directory? No. then how you are using this command, what status I have to provide? Fatal, dangerous, sir. Fatal error means it's a too severe error, not a git repository, not a git repository. Then why you are using this git status command like it is telling? Are you in the position to understand? Respond. Everyone in the position to understand clearly, right? Okay, now what I have to take is git 1 minute, sir. I don't know which commands are available. Okay, just git enter. Now complete options you are going to get, sir. Git enter. If I use git enter, all options by default we are going to get. Okay, 1 minute, let me copy paste here. All options you will get. Okay, all options, just I typed git usage, sir. Like, sir, if you want to know what is the version, hyphen version, what is the version, hyphen version, like. Next, and after that there are common git commands: clone, init. Can you please observe that? Create an empty git repository or reinitialize an existing one, create an empty git repository or reinitialize an existing one. Sir, here have you observed add? We used already add file contents to index. Add file contents to index, like, sir, we have you observed commit? Record changes to the repository. Record changes to the repository. Next, pull, sir. Fetch from integrated with another repository or local. Push means update remote references along with associated objects, something like. It's going to tell very clearly, right? Okay, well, now my question is, I want sir, version control for this directory. Okay, like, what I have to take is get, what is the command? Please confirm, I forgot. What the command we require to use? What the command we require to use? Git init. Okay, like, now, sir, can you please observe this line is a very important line. Okay, here just this line itself is initialized empty git repository in which locations are inside the projects dot git an empty repository came, sir. Okay, now ls nothing. How you can see hidden files and directories? Please confirm. ls hyphen a. Okay, like, now dot git you can see. Okay, here if you observe that inside project one, earlier dot git is not there, now the dot git came, sir. Okay, remember. But anyway, make sure in your Windows machine you have to enable to view hidden files, hidden items, then only it is available. By mistake if you remove, then it won't be there, sir. Okay, like, hidden items, then only it is available. Now it is very clear how you can create empty repository. Okay, now can I use git status? Please confirm. Now can I use git status or not? Yes, for this version control is available. Now it should not ask any question. On branch master, no commits yet, nothing to commit. Okay, like, wow, wonderful, it is telling clearly. Any doubt? Any doubt, friend? How you can install? How you can provide version control for your workspace? Okay, which command we require to use? Like a git init is the command we require to use. That's all. Now I have one small thing. Now, is there anything available? Is there anything available in Git or not? Can you please tell? Nothing will be there in the Git. Of course, nothing will be there in the Git. Now my question is, suppose let me go for one more project workspace I want to create. Go back. Project one is there. Let me create project two. I'm creating project 2, sir. Okay, project 2. Now here, let me create cat a.txt. Cat a.txt. I'm trying to cat, sir. I'm trying to a.txt. Okay, here first line inside a.txt. First line inside a.txt. Control D. Okay, like, now cat b.txt. I'm taking. Sir, first line inside inside b.txt. Okay, like, I'm trying to take, sir. Now my directory is not empty. Is not is Oh, sorry. I created inside git projects, but I want this inside project 2. What I will take, move a.txt b.txt to project 2, project 2. Okay, that's all. Let me go to project 2. Okay, like, let me cross check. Yes, a.txt b.txt is there. Well, now I have one important question. Now my project 2, I mean my workspace, is empty or not empty? Can you please confirm? Is it empty or not empty? Not empty, not empty. There are two files are already there, a.txt and b.txt is there. Now I'm using git init command. Git init command, init command. If I use git init command, now the local repository will be provided or not? Yes, local repository will be provided or not? Yes. Next, my question is, automatically these files will be added to that local repository or not? Yes or no? Automatically these files will be added to the local repository or not? Because my current working directory is not empty. There are some files are there. Is these files will be added to the local repository automatically or not? Yes or no? No, no. Git init always going to provide empty repository. Remember this one, sir. So if you have any files, you have to add, then only these files will be added to the repository. Otherwise, it is empty only. Remember carefully, right? Okay. Now let me go for cd project 2. Okay, like now I'm in the project 2, sir. Now here git init I'm taking. Git init I'm taking. Have you observed? Initialized empty git repository in d like this, right? Okay, clear, right? Okay, now observe that ls I'm taking. Two files are there. Git ls files I'm taking. Git ls files I'm taking. Can you please observe that? Do you have any output? Are you getting any output here? Respond. Are you getting any output here? No, no, we are not getting any output. What is the reason? You know that because my repository is empty, nothing is tracked yet. Any doubt? Please confirm. So don't feel, unless and until if you are not adding explicitly, no file will be added to the repository. That's what you have to aware. Now I have one small question is there, sir. What my question is? Already my workspace is there. Now listen this diagram, sir. Okay, observe this case. I created already workspace. Okay, and then my repository already there. Under this repository contain already two files, a.txt and b.txt is there. Okay, assume that two. So one commit is there. That commit itself contain one commit itself. One commit is there. That commit contain these two files, right? Okay, well, these two files are already there. Now if I use a git init command, what will happen? Are you getting? If I use git init command, what will happen? So it is going to reinitialize empty directory. Empty directory means it will become empty, I hope. Yes, it will become empty, I hope. Let me cross check. Okay, what I want to take practical. Let me cross check this one. Sir, now anyway, in the same project 2, I will take gate status. Okay, two files, untracked files are available. Now I want to add these files to the staging area. Get add dot. Can I use this one? Respond. Can I use this one? Git add dot. Yes, you can use this one, or otherwise you can use a.txt b.txt, or otherwise you can use git add star.txt. Anything you can use, no problem at all, sir. Anyway, a.txt b.txt. Yes, sir. Ignore these warnings because you are working from Windows area, right? Okay, there is a small issue is there. These are just warnings. Ignore this one. You won't get these warnings in reality. So there is a line separator. Okay, for that it is telling that LF line separator will be replaced in a.txt, something like it. You are not required to worry about this. Okay, like now, yeah, that right. Now observe the git status on branch master, no commits yet. These two things are required to commit. Okay, now git now git add, okay, here git git commit hyphen m git commit hyphen. So 1 minute, most of the people by mistake, by habitized git add a.txt b.txt, they're always using. Yes, meaningful word. Sir, similarly there their hand is always going for git commit a.txt b.txt. No, no, you can't specify like this. Okay, remember this commit is always by default is going to consider from staging area whatever there. That's why you should not specify anything, remember that. But compulsory you have to specify message. Okay, adding two files, adding two files a.txt and b.txt, like this I'm taking, sir. Adding two files a.txt and b.txt, like this I'm taking. Okay, like, but make sure, sir, before this compulsory we have to do configurations, then only it will do. Have you remembered? Array, we didn't specify. Array, who is committing, what is his mail id, you didn't configure. That's why, right? 1 minute, let me show this one, sir. Here, have a look once. Okay, sir, git commit hyphen m, okay, adding two files. Now immediately it is added, maybe it is added, maybe. So I configured email id, okay, earlier with the global keyword, that's why it is working, sir. Earlier I installed, that's why. If it is fresh new installation, then it will ask, remember this one. Okay, like, now here just take a bit very special care about this one, sir. Okay, now what I have to take here is 1 minute, sir. Yeah, one minute here, just observe that. Sir, here git log or git status I'm taking. Git status on branch master, nothing to commit, work entry is a clean. Now git log, okay, like, now observe that. Now we have a look once. Git log, this is the commit id. Next, other Durga, and this is my mail id. Okay, like, at what time it is committed, this is the commit message. I did already these configurations, right? So I hope it is clear for you people. Yes, friends. Sir, now how you can create workspace, in that how you can initialize git, next how you can add the files to the staging area, and then you can commit. Okay, like, it's a very clear. Now my question is, now I want to use git init command. What will happen if my repository is not empty? Ls, two files are there. Git ls files, okay, like, two files are there. Now git log one commit is there, sir. Now what I have to take is here I want to consider git. Okay, git init I'm using. What it is going to take, sir? Git init I'm taking. Reinitialized existing git repository. Okay, like it is telling. Reinitialized existing repository. Like, now yes, my two files are available as it is. Git ls hyphen files. Two files are there. Okay, git log, even commits also there. Then what it is doing? Then what it is doing, reinitializing means everything is available. Maybe internally the space may be refreshed, something like. Okay, if it is already git init, I mean already git initializer, calling git init reinitialization, nothing, there is no difference at all as of now. Yes, Manish, all the people are in the position to understand. Even after git init again, we are not seeing any difference. Okay, because all files are available. Yes, files are there. Git ls hyphen files are there. Next, and after that git okay, here git what we can log. Yes, everything is already available, right? Okay, that's fine. So git init, even you are calling by mistake second time, nothing will be happen, don't worry at all. That's it. So as of now, what is the purpose of how you can what is the use of git init command? I hope it's clear for you. Next and after that, how you can add the files to staging area? Any doubt? How you can add the files to staging area? Any doubt about this? Okay, well, next and after that, git commit hyphen m, how you can provide commit message? Okay, like it is also clear for you people, right? Now I have one small doubt is there, sir. Listen carefully, these words are very important. Observe carefully. Now what my requirement is, sir, if I use git status on branch master, nothing to commit, working tree is clean. Okay, listen carefully. Working tree is clean. Okay, like yeah. Git log will not list which files are committed. Manish, it is not going to list which files are committed, but which files are there. There is a way to find that part. We will discuss in the next. Don't worry. It is always going to tell commit. Yes, your total content is available in this commit ID. It is a hash, sir, which is going to represent your file content. Remember, which is going to represent your file content. Okay, so you can get which files are there in the particular commit. There are some comments are there. Don't worry, we will discuss next. Here one small thing I have to discuss here. Now a.txt b.txt already tracked by okay git or not? Can you please confirm? Very important point. I want to talk. Please listen carefully. Is it already tracked or not? Yes, it's already tracked. Now what I want to take is, let me modify these files. Okay, cat a.txt second line just I added control D. Next cat b.txt sir, second line just I added control D. Okay, now if I use git status, yes, modified. Everything is expected or not? Everything is expected or not? Modified. Okay, well, now I want to commit these changes. Can you please tell what is the way, sir? I want to commit these changes. What is the way? Please confirm. First we have to add a.txt b.txt. Okay, and then we have to commit -m. Okay, sir, here commit message something like you have to type. This is usually, but if the files already tracked by git command, we can combine these two things into a single git commit hyphen a hyphen m, sir, commit message. Observe this carefully. It will add changes to the staging area and then commit with this message. Are you getting what is this command, sir? But make sure this concept is not, this shortcut is not applicable for newly created files. This shortcut is applicable already the files tracked by git. Okay, so directly we can combine these two things. Okay, with this only for modified files only. Yes, this type of thing is applicable. Now observe that. Let me cross check. Git commit hyphen a hyphen m. Okay, hyphen a hyphen m. Okay, modified a.txt and b.txt. Okay, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, modified a.txt and b.txt. Okay, like sir, here just modified a.txt and so on. Yes, now observe git log. How many commits will be there? Please confirm. How many commits will be there now? Respond. Git log. How many commits are there? Yes, 2 commits are there. This is the, sir, this is second commit, and this one is the first commit. Okay, second commit we did at 9:34, but second commit we did, I mean first commit we did at 9:34, second commit we did at 9:41. Is that clear for you people? Yes. Any doubt up to this? Okay, so what you require to do is install git on the Windows machine, and then so whatever commands I cover, just a better to practice. Okay, git init, one command I covered. Next and after that, git init, one command I covered. Git add. Okay, git commit git status, okay, git status, and then git log, okay, like next git ls files, okay, normal ls, okay, like just these are things you people should aware. In the next session I will briefly explain, I will briefly give sir what these commands are going to do. Already you aware, just practice familiar with the terminology, okay, so that we will continue further. Yeah, so even this shortcut also we covered. Git the commit hyphen a hyphen m followed by sir commit message you can take, but make sure this is applicable only for modified files, not for the new files. Okay, clear? Yes. Okay, now Nirmal is asking one small doubt. Okay, can we specify particular modified file for committed directly? Yes, why not? Why not? Here, what here this shortcut should not won't work. This shortcut won't work. What you have to take is git add only b.txt. I want git add only b.txt, and then git commit hyphen m. Sir, here commit message. Are you getting? Commit message like sir, here for commit message you can use either single quote or double quote, no problem at all. Single quote you can use or double quote you can use, no issue at all. Clear? Everyone in the position to understand? Slowly we are entering into the git world. That's why better to practice these things up to this. Okay, right sir, thank you.